In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose weight in Once Human. So in case it's saying on your screen that you're too heavy and carrying too much load and therefore you cannot sprint or run or jump normally inside the game, this is how we can fix this. Now, firstly, you want to press I to open up your inventory. And up here, as you can see, it says load, okay? So as you can see, if it's between 120 and 140%, your stamina loss is as it says, and movement speed is lowered, jumping and climbing speed is slightly reduced, and if it's 140 or above, as you can see, stamina loss speed is plus 50, movement speed minus 20, and stuff like that. Now, ideally, you should keep this at below 100%, okay, if you possibly can. Now, the lesser you have, the better. And what you actually want to do to get rid of it is just go through each and every single one category of your inventory and see what's causing problems. Now for me, of course, bullets hold some weight over here, however nothing critical. As you can see, I could get rid of these grenades if I didn't need them, and I have a lot of fuel actually that I wouldn't have to carry with me. I also have a bunch of water on me, which is very kinda very heavy. As you can see, it's 6.3. And yeah, what you want to do is just go through each and every single one of these over here, just click through them, and when you find something that's very heavy and you don't need, you have two options. You can either store it inside of these storage boxes over here, or simply drop it on the ground in case you don't need it, or maybe use it for something useful in your base. Now, a quick pro tip: what actually happens most of the time is that you may have a bunch of stuff like these over here that you don't need, and you've forgotten to disassemble them. Now, just come to the disassembly bench, press select all, and simply disassemble all this, because this will dramatically lower your weight. Because these things that get disassembled have much less weight than the items that you disassemble, if this makes sense. And now, once you find things, and if you want to, let's say, dispose something or discard something, simply hover over it and hold down your X key on your keyboard, and as you can see, it gets discarded. Now, if you've done something by mistake, don't worry, junk is on the ground and doesn't respawn for some time. You want to press F and F again, just like you would collect anything in the game, and you'll be able to collect it back and get it back inside your inventory. So that's how to lose weight in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.